That's how you fucking with it?
He fuck with it, fuck with it.
Fuck with it, he fuck with it like that?
He fuck with it. We be chilling though, we be over. He play gang shit, but sometimes he play on that scissor snooze, that nigga get the
Nah, that's good. You heard me. I'm talking about something. Throw that ass for Drake. Yeah. Throw that ass for me.
You play scissor? I do play scissor. I said the shit that I was just playing right now, I don't know what that was.
Got some Afro beats.
This shit.
I said I don't play scissor.
Oh, you don't fuck with scissor?
I don't just not fuck with her. God damn, that's like.
But the scissors is hot right now. How can you not fuck with scissors?
Give me strength and the power. All or nothing. Fuck what they talking about, I'm getting money, yes indeed. Can't rap without no felony. Foot on next, won't let them breathe. If I tell them no, then the love change. Sad to say I'm getting paid. Cut them down, they in the way. Rolly face a plain Jane. Get up with me, leave that bitch alone. That's how my uncle dead and gone. Trust yourself before you ever trust a hoe. Check your Glock and tell them no. You won't catch me like a no. Miller size of baby arms, military stance, military guns. Action spoke louder when it's.
You know what time it is, man. It's AON Zone. You are now tapped in with AON Zone with my boy Shooting Cute behind the scenes. Let's get it.
Gun down, who bring them up? Gave less, I wanted more. Granny here on borrowed time. I tell her push me right around. My legacy forever yours. Share whatever feel important. This 100K up in the closet. Lift the rug and move the box. Ammunition right beside it. God kill me if I'm lying. Since became a part of AON, that's all or nothing. I was sick and tired of dying.
That's what I was saying.
All the niggas that will never slide a slither through the other side. Who they call when it's grease? Push it up, won't put it down.
I get mad about some money, fuck niggas. Got my own lane. Every time I step, it's new pictures. Had a bitch do me wrong, I got money. She didn't. Cross gang, cause I didn't. Come on. Come on. I'ma just see how it sound. Why would I get mad about some money? Fuck niggas. Got my own lane. Every time I step, it's new pictures. Had a bitch do me wrong. I got money, she didn't. Cross gang, cause I be introducing women to each other. No brothers, but this AR-15, big bro. That's for certain. Scratch off. I mean, here. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. I want it a little faster than that. Alright, come on. Why would I get mad about some money? Fuck niggas. Got my own lane. Every time I step, it's new pictures. Had to. Let me hear it. I had it right the first time, but you know. Alright, it's a little better. I'm gonna do it again though. I'm getting Gucci. I just gotta get through this. Why would I get mad about some money? Fuck niggas. Got my own lane. Every time I step, it's new pictures. Had to.
Gee, I think we got one.
Placing all my actions. Actions spoke louder what you told me. I would've thought it'd last forever.
Delete that scratch off. That's for certain. Stop it at that's for certain. Yeah, take that off too. Bro, that sound good, bro.
Huh?
Oh God, bro.
Tell them who it is real quick before you get out.
And smack, you know what the niggas know.
Fuck what they talking about, I'm getting money, yes indeed. Can't rap without no felony. Foot on next, won't let them breathe. If I tell them no, then the love change. Sad to say I'm getting paid. Cut them down, they in the way. Rolly face a plain Jane. Get up with me, leave that bitch alone. That's how my uncle dead and gone. Trust yourself before you ever trust a hoe. Check your Glock and tell them no. no, you won't catch me like a nah. Bullet size of baby arms, military stance, military guns. Action spoke louder when it's all said and done. Of course I wanna see him dead. Face shot, puncture lungs, that's not enough. When Dre died, I cried for months. Sunny days just left a storm. Kids, clouds, then line them up. Gun down.
Let me see. I probably just gotta keep saying shit till something come out. But let me hear it though. AP's enough. Hey, money. 2 and in before lunch. Plus I'm before lunch. Plus I'm rude and I don't help any money. Rude. I get some attitude. Plus I'm rude. I get money and attitude. Plus I'm rude. You got money. Plus I'm rude. I get money. Plus I'm rude. He be rude. I got money attitude. Rude. I can never have a money attitude. Can you that came up down there you put it in the playlist?
That might be the third
I'll
one.
probably go let Luke cuz of one of them probably go after that. Or you think it's not in sequence?
Let me see.
Oh yeah, that's the third one right here. Yeah, I need this one.
Someone could hop in there.
But it wouldn't make.
I just started that shit.
They'll just have to maybe keep going with the transition.
And keep it dark and low like that the whole song too.
Okay.
Let me just hear right
Phone
here.
numbers anyway, organic. I be tapped in with Larry June too. I been highline, tryna shop for APs and up. Get money, I be tryna tune in before lunch.
You want to go next week?
I would say, did you want to just let me hear the beginning, and then I was gonna say with them 4 bars, you could probably just move him down, and I could probably write to it.
Why would I get mad about some money? Fuck niggas. Come on.
This some ZC3, some Kimo Wood, Raz, and some Pheno 8. Pheno 48.
Let me see, put it to the cam, yeah.
I know you said the same thing.
You can't really see it.
I got good light in this bitch. Oh yeah, see, I got the shine on it. Look, hold on.
Gun down, who bring 'em up? Gave less, I wanted more. Granny here on borrow time. I tell her push me right around. My legacy forever yours. Share whatever feel important. This 100K up in the closet. Lift the rug and move the box. Ammunition right beside it. God kill me if I'm lying. Since became a part of AON, that's all or nothing. I was sick and tired of dying. Gave my soul to niggas that would never slide a slither through the other side. Who they call when it's grease? Push it up, won't put it down. Steady staying faithful. They'll take your situation off for granted. It's pathetic. They'll scare me off the streets. End your life if you let them. Coming heavy, what's a giant to a feather? I would've thought it last forever. All the time we spent together, you were special. Day and night, even if I'm lonely, I was with you. Replacing all our memories with actions. Seeing you smile made me happy. Strength and the power gave me motion. Action spoke louder. What you told me, I won't move off emotion. Bitch, I'm AON.
You ain't got no rank up in the streets. You is not important.
Walked up in the party, whiskey mask was there already.
Oh, yeah, take me back. I'm ready.
Walked up in the party, whiskey mask, but they already know.
Walked up in the party with ski masks, but they already knowing. Clear the scene. I'm blacking out. I need it all. Skirt, skirt. Not at all. Bah, 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 bah. They know it's me. Not at all. Give me that. I'm slimy niggas. What the fuck? We get money. Like who is you? Bah, bah. Cold story.
Yeah. You doing the others, you
You
good?
ate that bitch. I dinner might do some shit like that. Good shit.
No bees, bro. No bees.
Let me do it one more time. Do one more time.
Who they call when it's grease? Push it up, won't put it down. Instead of staying faithful, they'll take your situation off for granted. It's pathetic. They'll scare me off the streets, end your life if you let them. Coming heavy, what's a giant to a feather? I would've thought it last forever. All the time we spent together, you were special. Day and night, even if I'm lonely, I was with you. Replacing all our memories with actions. Seeing you smile made me happy. Strength and the power gave me motion. Action spoke louder what you told me. I won't move off emotion. Bitch, I'm AON forever. I got rich unexpected and they hate it, so it's fuck them. AON all the